my name is Kim from Mark. I'm your go-to lady to teach you how to get people to love your brand. Today we're going to be talking about what you need to take with you when you're going to a networking event. Now when I go to networking events, the most important things that I need to have: my cell phone, some business cards, maybe a little cash or my ATM card in case I need to get something, and then also a space to be able to have all of the important things like notebooks if I want to write something about a company that I really liked, and then any other networking items that you might want to have at your particular function. What I found is if I take a bag with me and I need to get business cards out or something like it, I have to scratch around it and it takes a lot of time, whereas this beautiful device, this is called the Asburton Folder, this I can put my phone in. And by the way, for the branding fundies, this one was branded using debossing, which means that you imprint the logo into it using heat. Now, as you can see, there's my cell phone that I can take out very easily. There's two extra pouches over here for maybe earphones or an extra pen. It's zippable, which means that your items are not going to fall out. So it's very convenient to carry. And inside, you'll see I have organized putting my business cards in, a bank card, another bank card, and my ID or my driver's license in case I need it. It's got a lovely zippable pouch, and in here I've put a whole bunch of business cards from people that I've collected at the event. You can even put your keys in here. I've got space for my power bank. I have my notebook to write down items, and I have my pen so that I've got something to write. So there you have it. It's all that you need for an event. Because your cell phone can go in there as well, you are able to answer emails if you've got emails on your cell phone, and you're rearing to go. So here is a nice convenient item for you to give to clients and for you to use yourself. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to find out more about our beautiful corporate gifts, you can contact us on sales@beautifulcorporategifts.co.za. Subscribe if you like this channel, and remember to add any questions at the bottom that you need to have answered.